It's too hot, man. And I want to vlog, but okay, let me tell you the truth about this video. This video has been completely, let's turn this down. There we go. This video has been it's been all over the place. But what I've been trying to do is just give a summary of my week and what it's been. And I have been on vacation, so yeah, it's all over the place. So please do not judge. Don't judge. So with that said, hold on, let's put my seatbelt on. Oh yeah, and also, I got a new mic. I don't know if you guys would enjoy it, but hold on. I'm gonna take this setup off. I'm on vacation. So good morning, guys, and I want to talk to you guys about why it is important to take a break. Like now, for me, I work a lot. When I have an opportunity like this, I capitalize on it. I never take a break this late. It's August. I normally take my breaks around May, June, but I've been so busy, and now I have a chance to relax. Also, not being on my phone all the time. So right now, I don't know what we have planned, but I'm just gonna relax. Alright, we are starting our day right now. I'm gonna get some breakfast. Oh, some coffee. What are you gonna get? I know I'm not the only person who has this weird phobia about being on the elevator with more than 3 people. It's just something, if you know what I'm saying. So, there we go. So this vlog is all over the place. I didn't have anything planned at all. So I was just giving a summary of my week. We consumed the devil's nectar. We ate some pretty good food, overpriced in my opinion. Went to the beach, like I said, spent a little time with my niece, just hung out for a little bit, and pretty much this has been my vacation. So please indulge. So you watch my YouTube channel? The camera shifted. So let's do it again. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments, leave them down below. If you want to keep up with my daily uploads or how often I upload, hit that notification bell and give it 10,000 likes. What was that? That's how you do it? Alright, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. I don't know, that felt too much. Maybe they'll be like I'm annoying.
Let me see.
Okay, you just say it right there. They can see you from where you are. Tell them.
thank you guys for watching this video. If you just give it a huge, big thumbs up, comment down below. You'll see where I post every new video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit 10,000 likes.
Okay, well, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you. Well, it's
Next
my
time.
no, it's my video, so it's
Next time.
okay.
It's my camera.
Okay, I'm hanging up now.